Hello guys, thank you all for waking me up with beautiful screenshots from yesterday's results. Okay, I'm really happy that you guys joined me live and direct during the $500 trading tips for boom and crash. And thank you guys for following the rules and regulation guiding all the analysis that actually led to the beautiful results which you sent to me this morning. I'm really happy to wake up to see those results. Okay, thank you guys for milking the market. There's going to be another session today. Do not forget to join us later on today. But today, right now, we'll be looking at how to trade spikes on boom and crash using the 5 minute time frame. How to trade spikes in boom and crash using the 5 minute time frame. For those of you who have been looking for how to trade spikes successfully, then you need to watch this video to the end, because it's another opportunity for you to learn how to do so, more especially if you want to do that on 5 minute time frame. So all you just need to do is just to sit tight, get your writing pad ready, and make sure you watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In case you are joining us for the first time, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money online, most especially within the forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take some time to watch some of my video clips. Make sure you understand everything I highlighted in my videos, and also make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very, very important. Okay, and of course, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, so let's quickly go straight into what we have for today. We'll be looking at how we can trade spikes in boom and crash, okay, within the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, let me quickly let you know this, that it is not all the time that you should go into the market to trade spikes. Okay, I love trading spikes whenever I'm having opportunity to trade multiple spikes. Okay, whenever I'm having opportunity to trade multiple spikes. Okay, if you don't know the exact time to go into the market to trade it, then definitely you can be in the market, you can be hanging in the market for a very long time, and at the end of the day you can leave your account in red till till it finds an opportunity to wipe off the whole of your account for you. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. For instance, if you get to go into the market when crash is on uptrend, okay, maybe you decide to come in somewhere here, okay, somewhere here for a crash. You decide to come in somewhere here for a crash, and check it out, it went up above your entry point, and it got to this level. Of course it crashed, but didn't get to your entry point, went up again, and of course it crashed, but didn't get to your entry point, and went up again, and of course it crashed. And this usually happen when you come in the wrong trend. Okay, that is why it is always important you know the trend. Okay, when you come in the wrong trend, then you will be finding lesser amount of spikes are playing around there than when you come in the right trend. Okay, so you can be left hanging in the market for a very long time. Okay, you can be in red in the market for a very long time. Each spikes will only take you closer to your entry point, but will not get you to your entry point. Okay, once it takes you closer to your entry point, then it moves up again above there, then give you a little crash again, then moves up again, which means that you are in the wrong trend. Okay, so you need to know the exact trend to trade the spikes before you even think of trading spikes. That is why it is not all the time you will be able to trade the spikes. Okay, if you are in the wrong trend, it is better you trade the normal trend than to trade that trend than for you to force yourself to trade the spikes. And if you don't want to trade the normal trend, then definitely you wait for the right trend to trade the spikes. Okay, what are the exact trend to trade the spikes within these two assets? Okay, two major assets. So for boom, it is best traded on uptrend. Okay, for crash, it is best traded on downtrend. Once you know this, then you will know the exact time to go into the market, which means if crash is on uptrend, you shouldn't waste so much time trying to trade the spikes. Of course, you can also trade the spikes, but if you don't know the exact place to come in, then you can be hanging in the market for a very long time. Okay, for a very long time. And even if you are going to trade the spikes around this region, then you should do that. You should do that carefully, and also you shouldn't waste so much time on it. The same thing is applicable to boom. When boom is on full downtrend, you should avoid taking so much time, spending your precious time trying to pick up spikes around there. Okay, but you can easily do that. You can get multiple spikes when it is on uptrend. The same thing is applicable to crash when crash is on downtrend. Okay, so that is how it works. And also, let me quickly say this: in most cases it also happens around the support and the resistance region. Okay, for boom, it starts from the support, and for crash it starts from the resistance region. Okay, most especially the major ones. Okay, it only occur within the resistance region when the resistance for spikes, it occur within the resistance region when the resistance region has been broken out above it. That way the 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 formerly known resistance region will have turned into a support level at that point. Okay, the same thing is applicable to crash. Okay, it happens around the support region if there is a breakout below it. Okay, which means this will now be turned into a resistance region. Okay, so that is the way it works. So let's go straight to the chart to check out what we can see on the chart. Okay, to put all this into practice. Okay, so that is why if you are going to the chart, you need to be able to identify all these. Okay, for you to trade the spike successfully, even though you want to do that on your 5-minute time frame. Okay, you need to be able to know the trend, and you need to be able to know your support and your resistance level. Okay, once you are able to know all this, then you should be able to trade it successfully. So let's go straight to the chart right away. Okay, right here it might be difficult for you to get your support, your resistance, then knowing the exact trend, when the trend is starting and when it is ending, knowing all this if you are not very good with your technical analysis. But of course, you can make use of some indicator to identify all these. Okay, and there are some custom made indicators that makes it even easier for you to identify them. Okay, one of such indicators is the one I'm having on the chart presently, which is called the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, so just the way we are saying it, like I said, spikes are best traded when boom is on uptrend. You can see right here, and it's usually starts from the support level. So I'm going to show you, this is the part that shows us the trend right from the beginning and how long the trend will go. You can see that it was on downtrend before. You can see that when it was on downtrend, we are having little spikes happening, and even the spikes are short ones. Okay, they are not very long ones, except here when the market was reversing. Okay, when the market was reversing. And remember, this is 5 minute time frame. So when you are on 5 minute time frame, what you need to do is to identify the trend first. Okay, right here it shows that the trend is going from downtrend to uptrend, so which means you should be getting ready. Okay, then you go to the main chart and check out if it is at a support region. You can see that it was coming down before and it has gotten to the support region, and check if you can get a buy order, or probably you can place your first trade using a very small lot size for around there, since the trend is changing into an uptrend and it happens suddenly. Okay, so you can do that, and if you get a buy, or buy signal first, then you can also place your first order around there. Okay, so you can see right here we place our first order. Check out the spikes, check out the spike, check out how long it is. Okay, this is a multiple spike on 5 minute time frame, but it forms a single candle right here. If you should go to 1 minute time frame, you will know that it is a multiple spikes that occur. Okay, probably about 2 to 3 spikes forms this candle. Okay, so you can see this is amazing, and this is how you can be in the market from here till the very end of the spiky period. Okay, this is the spiky period, so you can see it. This is where the trend is coming to an end, so you can see how far it went. Okay, so this is amazing. It keeps on spiking and spiking and spiking, so you can use it to trade it successfully. So let's check out crash also. For crash, like I said, it should be on downtrend, then it should start from a major resistance level. So that is what we are about to check out this long downtrend right here. Okay, and if you should check it out, the spike started from the beginning of the trend. Okay, you can see it started right from this resistance level. Okay, you can see that the spikes were coming in. Okay, the crash down candles were coming in till it got to this support region, went back up. There was a pullback here due to the support region, but went down again, now broke the support region. You can see it till this level, then went back up again, tried to make so many attempts on this support region, and later on broke it successfully. Okay, it later on broke it successfully, and right now it has gotten to the support level, so it is now going back on the uptrend. So you can see, if you had come in here and you would have milked the market till the end of the trend. Okay, this is where the trend came to an end. Okay, you would have milked the market trading the spikes till the end of the trend. That is amazing, right? Okay, so let's check out other assets. Let's check out crash 500. For crash 500, also on downtrend, that is when you experience more spikes, and the long ones are that matter. You can see this, even though the trend is just starting, but we've gotten lots and lots of spikes right here, and it is only this support region that is delaying it from having so much spikes that will be happening. But once it breaks it successfully, then you see it coming downward till it gets to this support region. Of course, there might be some pullback in between, but you definitely be in profit. Okay, let's check out boom 500 also. Okay, this is boom 500. Okay, you can see that it is just starting an uptrend, so definitely we will soon be experiencing some spiking period today. Okay, so but check out here, when it was on uptrend, you can see the spikes that were happening. Okay, you can see the spikes that were happening till the end of the trend. Okay, so that is just the way it works, guys. That is the way it works. So you don't there are no two ways about it. There are no two ways about it. First, you just need to understand the way it works. So put your chart on 5 minute time frame. Try to use tools that will help you to identify your trend. Okay, make sure you follow the right trend for the right assets in order to trade the spikes. Make sure you are able to identify your support region and your resistance region. This will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Just the way you have seen, it's just spikes right here. Like I said, the trend is going into an uptrend. You can see that it just spiked right here from this major support level. So that is just the way it is. There are no two ways about it. Once you are able to identify all these places, then you will be able to trade it successfully, and the trend will also help you to trade it from the beginning of the trend till the very end of the trend. Okay, so that is all about this. What I want you to do is for you guys to go back to your channel, have this set up and practice with it and share your results with me. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.